Hey guys, this is Andy, the bearded practitioner. Oh no, there's that guy again. He's knocking on the door. I guess I better open it.
King Tut.
Now when he was a young man, he never thought he'd see
King Tut.
people stand in line to see the boy king.
King Tut.
Okay, what was that? Okay, so we're bringing you another review. We'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, this is Andy, and if you didn't know by the intro, we are going to be reviewing Sphinx Beard today. This is a company that does colognes and it's a beard oil. Absolutely amazing. I put this in, I feel like I'm wearing cologne. Absolutely amazing. Lasts a fairly good amount of time a day. And it feels great in beard. I love castor oil. Super fond of these products. What I have received today, and I'll be reviewing in a bit later, his butters. But what I got originally was their oils and their balms. Now, each one of these goes for... So this was originally $24.99, and right now on his website, he's going for $20.99, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, this is, it's amazing. Yes, these are very awesome scents. And then his balm, which is this one, is $18.99. So what I got the sense of, I got 3 different scents, and it comes in these amazing, and now these are definitely one of the best packagings you can ever imagine for a beard company. So it comes in this package. You can see this is the balm. You can see that this is cool. This is the oil. Oh man, it just smells so good. And then what he's done is that a lot of they come with little tags on the side. So that's what's really cool. So this, for instance, is Smolder. Now Smolder is his oud cologne, kind of a smoky oud cologne. Absolutely amazing. I think that this one specifically is one of his custom ones that he's been making, and this is by far one of the best scents I've ever smelt for colognes, period, hands down, amazing. And then my second favorite from him is, I can never say this correct, it's La Fracture. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's French, but oh my goodness, it is citrus high-end cologne. I have smelt a lot of these in the past, and this, I mean, it's so good. It's ridiculously good. And then if you look at the balms, they definitely have, you can see this is well worn. This is his Smolder again, and it's so good. It's just so good. More of a light balm, but it just comes out and it looks like that. Because of the castor oil, you can definitely tell that it is so nutrition. It has so much nutrition in it, and I absolutely love this product. Now, the other one that I got from him is something called Black Desert. That was probably, I did get a sampler pack as well, which I'll go over on another video because I just have so much stuff from Sphinx. It's amazing. But Black Desert was probably in my 4th or 5th lineup for best scents. He has an oceanic cologne that I absolutely love. So I'll have to go over that when we talk about the sample pack, because I think that Sphinx Beard needs to get as much notice as possible. If you are into cologne scents, and I am telling you that this is one of the best cologne scent companies you will run across ever. And it is high end. It isn't like it smells kind of like something and then it has some really weak carrier oils. It has prime, seriously good for you carrier oils, and then you add these fragrances, and it's, you know, call it a day. It's one of the best companies I have run against with these. And also Mohammed is just, he's just a super nice guy. I've had the opportunity to talk to him a couple times. Super good dude, always willing to kind of recognize that we do a lot of hard work as reviewers, and he's willing to help celebrate his scents with us. So I've just always been really happy for being able to share this experience with others as well when I get to talk about these products. So just super amazing. Customer service really, really good.
Alright, I'm here for the scents. For scent and ingredients. And for ingredients, we got medium chain tigress, triglycerides, organic castor oil, organic moringa oil, marula oil, frankincense essential oil, organic hemp seed oil, ginger essential oil, coriander essential oil. And we will start with smolder. Smolder. Smolder smells very good. Smolder smells like a slight cologne. And it smells very good. Very, very good. I like the scent of smolder. And I will move on to, I don't know how to say this, but I'll say it and I'll win. Shake it. Shake it more. Shake it well. La Frater. And then I shall smell it. Definitely more cologne. It smells like a stronger cologne. I like it. It smells really good. It smells like a really good cologne. You can tell it's cologne. They also have something else in there that makes it smell amazing. I don't know what they have in there, but they have something else in there that makes it smell good. Real good to the nose. Then we got the Black Desert. Shake well. Shake it up, shake it up. Yeah, yeah, I gotta shake it up, shake it up. Make sure to shake it well, shake it well. Black Desert smells essential oil based, to where it smells like something you would put in a diffuser. It smells really good. I feel like it's definitely essential oils, but I feel like it's more like planty essential oils. That makes not a lot of sense, but it smells like a special essential oil. And that was the last one. Goodbye, and see you next time.
So to wrap all of this up, again, why are you sitting there? Why are you just not typing right now into your keyboard? Little Prac-Manus for you. Why are you not typing into your keyboard right now, sphinxbeard.com, and finding out that these are the most amazing cologne scents ever? He just came out with butters. I'm looking forward to trying those out over the next couple weeks, and I will be giving you another review on how amazing these are. So we'll talk to you soon.